Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook account. First step is open Instagram app. Then go to your profile is the bottom right corner and tap hamburger icon is the top right corner, it's menu button. Then tap setting. Then scroll down and tap account center is the media tab. Then tap account and profile. Then select the account you want to unlink. Then tap remove from account center. Are you sure you unlink this account from Facebook? Yes. Then continue. Then tap remove this account.